We are doing the Russell Hustle today. So much to get to. I'm Angela Miles with the Russell Report. A number of cross currents are affecting the small caps. The Fed left rates unchanged, but propped the door open to the potential of lowering rates. Small business optimism is up, but so are global tensions, and G20 is coming up next week. Oh, and on top of that, it's a quadruple options expiration day. Well, right now, the Russell is under pressure, trading around 1549, but the index soared this week on that Fed news. The put players, however, are stepping in today. The ratio, one call trading for every 4 puts. Let's take a look at those puts. The July traditionals, especially active at the 1410, 1415, and 1420 put strikes. That might even be a spread that somebody came in with today. The RVX is up more than 2% to 18, surprising because the VIX is languishing around 14. The next week will be a huge week for the small cap, so that Russell Reconstitution process officially coming to a close after the close on Friday. A quick mention that Luxfer Holding will be joining the Russell 2000. It's a global manufacturing materials maker, and it is among the many stocks that will be a part of that Russell rebalancing. Coming up next, we'll do some trader talk right after this. I'm turning to Tim Biggam now, a pro trader, to talk about the Russell. Tim, I was just talking about the difference between the VIX and the RVX. Big change there. Are you seeing any kind of skew action, or are you playing this at all?
Yeah, absolutely, and kind of using that RVX as a signal here, which is kind of the VIX of the Russell here, which the Russell has been a big underperformer since the lows in the market last December here. SPY, as most other indices, making new highs. Russell nowhere near that, so I kind of favor the Russell going forward here over the other indices. So doing a simple pairs trade going out to July and August, both buying at the money call spreads on the Russell, hedging by selling out of the money call spreads on the SPY, just looking for the Russell to be a relative outperformer over the coming few months or so.
Well, thanks for that trader talk.
You bet, Ange.
That's a wrap for now. I'm Angela Miles. Have a great weekend, everybody.